Hey there. Let's be honest. How long would it take to draft a perfect transfer petition? Some may take up a few hours, while some may take the entire day or even several days. And most of the time, even after putting in all the facts, you still feel like there is something missing. Well, you keep running through the documents and wondering if you have missed out on some critical point. Well, is this the story of your life also? Hi, I'm Nidhi, and you're absolutely at the right place because I'm going to tell you how AI can help you draft a transfer petition in minutes without worrying much about missing out some essential facts and saving your precious time, of course. You might be wondering how this is even possible, but yes, AI can be a complete game changer in this regard. So let us see how AI can make this happen. We're going to take an example. I'm going to share a fact situation with you all based on which we're going to draft this petition using AI. So I'm directly going to show you my prompts to ChatGPT. And in these prompts itself, I have shown the fact situation as well. So let's go through it from the very start. My first prompt to ChatGPT is act as a lawyer and draft a transfer petition. This is in the criminal side for me before the Supreme Court of India. Now, I have given which side it is and which court it is. I've also said a transfer petition criminals filed under Section 447 under the Bharatiya Nagrik Surakshit Sanhita. I've also said that a transfer petition, which is criminal, is filed under Section 447 of the BNSS to 2023. Now, when you're dealing with AI, it's always preferable to ask AI to ask you questions. I've done the same thing. I've said ask 10 questions related to the case. Now, naturally, AI is asking me questions around the details of the petitioner, the respondent, case background. If you see, this is a very effective way to make sure that all the details come in and AI is asking you questions, so it's going to be foolproof, right? So these are the 10 questions given by AI to me, and let's go through them. What are the details of the petitioner? So we'll have to give in the full name, age, occupation, address. Same for the respondent, right? Name, relationship to the petitioner, addressee. What is the case background? So FIR number, date of registration, and police station details. Now, because we told AI that this is on the criminal side. What is the jurisdiction? So where is it currently pending? Grounds, what are the grounds that we have for transfer of the petition, whether it is threat to life, bias? So it's even giving me examples, right? We can just write down if any of these fit. What is the proposed jurisdiction? So where are we willing to transfer the case? Where are we wanting to transfer the case? Security concerns, are there any instances of security? Legal precedents, what is the status of the current case, right? Whether it is at investigation, charge sheet is filed, so and so, and who is representing the case. Now, once AI has asked me these questions, I have gone ahead and given the fact situations, okay? So this is for your reference also. These are the facts based on which we want AI to draft the transfer petition for us. A man of Jain faith born in Singapore has lived in various countries, including the UK, where he gained British nationality. He married a man of Jain faith born in Singapore has lived in various countries, including the UK, and he gained British nationality. He married B in 2010 and they have a daughter who was born in 2017. After incidents of cruelty, B left for Goa, while A initiated divorce proceedings in Delhi in 2019. B's application was under 125 CRPC, poses significant challenges for A because he's the sole breadwinner and he has dependents as well. So A's request is to transfer the application to Delhi arises from his inability to contest effectively in Goa due to his logistical and financial constraints. So the grounds, etc., are mentioned here. And with the next hearing, which is scheduled in December 2024, I said that I'll give you a format also. Okay. Um, Now, please note that instead of answering every single question in specific detail, I have just given a combined answer right here in the form of the facts of the case. So this, of course, tells the details of the petitioner, the details of the respondent, where are we willing to transfer the case, where it is currently pending. So all answers can collectively be given in this format also, or you can just choose to copy paste these questions from these questions and then answer them separately. Both things completely work. So based on this, it says the key grounds for transfer are, of course, logistical and financial constraints. So it picks up, right, on its own, and fair trial concerns, and there is inability to contest effectively in Goa as well. And I'll wait for your format. So I have specifically said that I will provide you a format in the next prompt. Now, when you are dealing with AI and you already have specific formats with you, it's better to put in that format and AI can adjust to your style accordingly instead of it giving you the whole draft and then you making edits. That becomes a longer process. So that's why I've said I will give you the format, and this is where I have given the format, right? So I say here is the format. It's of course in the Supreme Court of India. I've given the order number, transfer petition. I'm just asking AI to fill up these blanks, and yeah, this is the format that I have given. That yeah, annexure should be there, facts, grounds, then of course the prayer towards the end, right? So this is my format, and yeah, it says that thanks for sharing this, and it has given me the draft right here. In the Supreme Court of India, criminal original jurisdiction, transfer petition number so and so, 447 of BNSS, read with so and so, and the Supreme Court rules. And of course, it is the title where it is where we're seeking the transfer from, to which court. So A versus B, right? The Chief Justice and Honorable Companion Judges of the Supreme Court of India. Let's go through it. Now, what I have done is I've taken the entire draft that GPT has given to me and I have copy pasted this into a Word format because I believe that there are some changes that we would need to do here, and you're dealing with AI, right? So it completely makes sense that there will be some minor changes that you would have to do because human intervention, of course, is important. So I have done that in the doc format. Let me present that, and you'll be able to see the changes in red color. Perfect. So yeah, here's the final draft with manual. Here's the final draft with the manual edits that are made in red. So the title is correct, no changes here. Transfer petition under 447, that all these three details are correct. Petitioner versus respondent, A versus B, to the Honorable Chief Justice, so and so. Let's go to the fact. The transfer petition is being filed under 447 of BNSS 2023, seeking transfer of maintenance application under 125, Title B versus A, pending before the Family Court of Goa, and to Family Court Delhi, where divorce petition A versus B is already pending. So perfectly picked up. The first paragraph is crisp and gives out all the details that we want to tell to the court. Petitioner A is a British citizen of Jain faith, originally born in Singapore, has lived in various countries. So just a minor change right here. Including UK, he's currently residing in Delhi due to professional obligations. Wedding was solemnized in 2010, minor daughter in 2017. So facts perfectly picked up. Now, due to several instances of cruelty, respondent left the matrimonial house and subsequently filed for a divorce. Copy of divorce petition. So annexures also have been rightly picked up by AI, taken, attached in chronological order. Now, Counterblast, the respondent in Counterblast filed a maintenance application under 125, causing immense hardship. So the language is also good. The chronology is perfect. All annexures are being attached here. And the next hearing for maintenance is next hearing for maintenance application is 12th December 2024. And of course, there is urgency. You will have to show this when you're dealing with such petitions. And we have attached that as well. Now, one ground that we've added at the very beginning, that based on the facts and circumstance. Now, before we start on the grounds, we just, put out this formal line that based on the facts and circumstances of the case, the petitioner is filing the petition to this honorable court on following grounds, right? So just making it more detailed right there. So we have given the ground of Goa and Delhi, then he being the sole breadwinner, divorce proceedings already being pending in Delhi, and of course, the respondent can contest the case in Delhi without suffering hardship. No relatives in Goa, so support system is not there. Legal assistance would be difficult. Language is also not familiar. Just a few changes that I've done in this ground, that it will not be possible for the petitioner to present his defense. Excuse me. So one minor change that we have done in ground G, just the language of it, that it will not be possible for the petitioner to present his defense evidence on account of non-availability of the witness, as well as the defense witness relevant to the case decided in Delhi, and their travel to Goa for court appearances would be highly impractical and financially burdensome for the petitioner. So minor changes here. And finally, the present petition is being filed in bona fide for the ends of justice, right? And at the end, the prayer, no changes right here. We want an order direction to transfer the maintenance application under 125, Title B versus A, pending before Family Court Goa to Family Court Delhi, and any other orders. Of course, this is a generic prayer that we would put in irrespective of the petitions. And yeah, and that's about it. So this is how, of course, you can go ahead, draft a transfer petition without spending a day or even couple of days in this. And I'm sure you found it easy, right? So you should definitely join our 3-day boot camp where we're going to be teaching a lot more about this. It's going to be online, it's going to be live, and it is going to happen on the 14th, 15th, and 17th of June 2025. So recordings are not, make sure to join it. Recordings are not going to be available, and set up a reminder so that you don't miss it. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.